Want to start earning online today? Here are the best freelance jobs you can begin right now. No degree, no experience required. Content writing. Brands need blogs, emails, ads, and captions every single day. If you can write clearly, you can earn. Beginners make $10, $20 per article, and it grows fast. Graphic design. With tools like Canva, anyone can design logos, thumbnails, posters, and social media posts. Perfect for creative minds. Video editing. Short-form videos are taking over the internet. If you can cut clips, sync music, add captions, you're in business. Virtual assistant. Manage emails, schedule posts, reply to customers. It's one of the easiest freelancing careers to start with zero skills. Social media management. Small businesses need help growing online. If you know how to post, engage, and use trends, charge $100 to $500 per client. Online tutoring. Teach English, math, music, or any subject you know well. Students are everywhere and pay is solid. You don't need years of training. You need one skill, one client, and the willingness to start. Pick one job today and begin your freelancing journey. Follow for more online earning tips.